When in Rome, do as the Romans do. And when in Gujarat, say it like the Gujus do. Pronunciation of some English words in Gujarati style. Ingrati 101. The study guide will cover a few important words of English and teach you how to say it like a true Guju. Back, chain, cheese, diver, peas, piss, 5, 4, whole, hall, man, phone, problem, rap, shoes, soaping, snakes, penis, pestle, rape, yash, zero, Jew,